Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create presentations in LibreOffice Impress in 2026. If you want to build professional slides for school, work, meetings, or personal projects, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open LibreOffice on your computer and select Impress from the Start screen. This will create a new presentation and open the slide editing workspace. Once Impress opens, choose a template if you'd like, or start with a blank presentation. Templates can help you create professional-looking slides more quickly. Next, begin with your title slide. Click the text boxes and enter your presentation title and any subtitle information you want to include. Now add a new slide by clicking the New Slide option. You can create as many slides as needed for your presentation. Next, enter your content on each slide. Add headings, bullet points, and important information while keeping the layout clean and easy to read. You can also insert images by selecting the Insert menu and choosing Image. Visual elements can make your presentation more engaging and easier to understand. Now customize the appearance of your slides by changing fonts, colors, backgrounds, and layouts to match your presentation style. If needed, add transitions between slides to create smoother movement during your presentation. Once your presentation is complete, click File and then Save. Choose a location on your computer and save the project for future editing. Finally, run the slideshow to preview everything and make sure the slides appear exactly as you want, and that's it. You've successfully created a presentation in LibreOffice Impress and learned the basic tools needed to build effective slides. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!